Hi friends, I'm here with a look at this Steinwhale little mini bit driver kit. So this had two little hook areas on the back where this would clip on. I took it off and I'll show you why here in a minute. But it comes with an extension, comes with this tiny handle, and then this set of very small double-sided bits. And it's kind of an amazing assortment for as small of a collection as it is. You got 2, 6, 8, 10, 15, 20, 25. You got hexes in 3, 5, or 3, 4, 5, and 6 millimeter. You got slotted 3, 4, and 6 millimeter, and then Phillips 0, 1, and Phillips 2. It's pretty remarkable. So I'm going to push down on this just to kind of pop some of them out. And then yeah, you can kind of see it goes either direction here. So it's magnetized really well. It's a very strong magnet. And the amount of play, just so you get the idea there. Let's do the Phillips number 2. So that would be my only complaint, is getting some of these, like the Phillips, that doesn't have much to grab onto on that end. You got to get it out to that wider area to get any bite. But it's the Phillips number 2. Very little play there. So yeah, these are just excellent little bits. And with the extension, basically you can turn it into a little bit larger driver. They're a little deeper in there, so that's the only issue you may face. So I don't really like the extension too much. And now I got it stuck in there. To be honest, this may not even be the right extension, but so one thing I found though is this is that CRKT Scout bit driver, and these bits sit perfectly in this thing. And so this is actually how I most often use these bits, is with this Scout kit. And that's why I've cut the back off of them. So I keep this in my little knife maintenance kit. So I keep the Scout here, the bits here, and I mean, these bits are all perfect for working on knives. It's all the right sizes that you would most often need. And so they sit together nicely in that kit. You could pack those down smaller, I think even more, in another kind of kit if you wanted to, with just that handle and these bits, or if you wanted to just carry the Steinwhale little handle and the bit set. It's a pretty remarkable little kit, and I think it's really handy to keep around with you.